Yes, we are back. So I'm sorry, guys, for a long time without adding new videos. But now I have started. I'll be giving two, I will not produce these videos like a daily basis as last time. So nowadays I'm busy. I'm running a small project. So I'm just fixing time to be with you guys. I'm happy to meet you again. I'm so happy. So guys, please subscribe to my channel and also like my videos. You can also share. I have created a WhatsApp group that will be helping us for more understanding, personal questions, and sharing datasets and other stuffs. So today we're gonna look at introduction to pandas for petroleum data science. So the learning objectives are all about understanding pandas and why is it useful. So we're going to load going to load data, explore petroleum data sets using pandas. So we're going to learn basics of cleaning data sets and the analysis. So visualization, also going to do trends in production data. So guys, what is pandas? Pandas is a powerful open source data science library used in the manipulation of data. So build on top of NumPy. We're going to talk about, we shall be using that library called NumPy. So what it provides two main data structures: series, one dimension, series. We talked about series. So guys, now I think you know basics of Python. I'm just going speedy. So guys, we're going to talk about the next. We're going to talk about data frames to the like a tabular data, table like a structure. So why pandas for petroleum data? So first wait, no, why pandas is used in petroleum data science? So oil and gas data like production logs, sensors, it is often come in CSV. CSV is comma separated values or Excel. Okay, so that file extension pandas is good to load that data in that form. Is a time series handling like daily production. So pandas can handle data with time series, like yesterday we produced this, today we're going to produce this, and last year produced like those sequences, time series. So pandas is a good library. It supports cleaning, aggregation, filtering, and visualization of data. So guys, since you are going to use this Google Colab, pandas is already installed. But if you are using the other offline code editors like VS Code I used last time for teaching you basics of Python, you're gonna write pip. Let me add another cell. Sorry. You're gonna add pip install pandas. So then you run the cell. Now if the since the pandas is already installed in our collab, there is no need to learn installing pandas. But if you are successful installing pandas, it will be giving you successful results. So guys, let's code pandas. This is not required because pandas is already installed in this Google Colab. So it's a good coding environment. So all libraries for data science are installed in this Colab section. So guys, how to import pandas. So importing pandas, we just say import pandas as PD. So we're going to use this PD instead of writing the whole word pandas. So then let's run this cell. Now So guys, how do we load the data sets we're gonna use here? So to load data sets, come here. This is the file. Guys, let's upload. mm, we're gonna use these data sets. I'll be sharing it in a WhatsApp group. So let's wait for minutes. It's going to load. Let's load it again. So guys, we are using this pop-up. So the data set is here. Is called datasets 2024. This is the data set provided by SPE. Guys, thank you for sponsoring this course. So now we're going to use these data sets for running. So guys, how do we load data in our to analyze it? So to load data, we're going to use this library. So let's call how to call variables. So let's call this data sets df data frame, or you can call it data sets equal to pandas. Instead of writing the whole word pandas, you write pd dot read csv. So you have to read csv, okay? Then you enter the data sets csv, which data use these codes for reading the files. So you're going to copy this. How to copy it? Okay, yes, right. Let's copy it. SB copy the file path. Let's copy and paste it. Is data content. Okay, so you guys, let's see whether our data sets is loaded. Df let's learn this here. Okay, good, cool. Have loaded the data sets using pandas. So this library, we're going to use it in our course. So guys, I think we can stop from here, or we can add more. How do we explore data? Let's add this one. It's very small. How do we explore data? How do we know these data sets? Let's leave this. How do we know the data sets? How to inspect, we call it inspecting data. How do we inspect data, the data sets we have given? So guys, let's try to use these inspection tools. The first tool is called shape. A shape is used to tell you the size of data in terms of rows and columns. So you said df dot shape, it will tell you the size of data. So it is telling you that you have 9992 how do you call those are rows, and these 16 columns. So guys, this is a huge amount of data sets. Another method to inspect data is information df dot. This is a function. So we need to put these curly braces. So guys, let's run this cell and you see this information. So we talked about data types. So this information can help you to give you the overview of the data set you are going to use. So today we're going to look at sorry, not today. Let's just look at these data sets and we see how we shall handle it. So it has this column is called production rate. It has non-null. It is an object. It is not a string. It is not a word. So we have field name, non-null. It is an object. All these are objects. This one is a float 64. This one, it means it has decimal points. All types now object. Down pressure float 64, float 64. So guys, how do we know that we have null function? We have null means the columns with the blank. How do you say that? With the no values, let's say no values, blank columns. Okay, blank rows. So those with blank rows are null values. So how do you inspect to know it? So this data df.information can tell you. So guys, the amount, the size of the data sets is 1.2 plus MBs. Okay, we have floats, we have 10, can tell you we have 10 floats and 60 objects. So guys, let's go slowly by slowly. Let's use another method of inspecting data. So using the other library. So to inspect data, we can inspect data by overseeing the first five rows. By default, this is also a function. Let's say def.head can tell you this since the function, let's use this call process. It by default it chooses the first five rows, this one. So you inspect data and you see what's so these are NaN, null values. So this is the blank table. Okay, there is nothing in these columns. Okay, we shall see how we will handle that. So if you want to inspect 2 or 5, you enter here the number of what you want to inspect, then you run. Okay, now you want to inspect 3. What is the another method of inspecting that? I think that is it. Oh, you can describe. You can see columns. Let's say how do you describe? You write df dot also describe the function dot describe. Let's run this and you see. Okay, it can tell you the count, mean, standard variation, minimum value, maximum value. You know STD, standard deviation. 25. Those who know statistics, here I won't waste my time here. You can understand it very well. So you guys, to know data science better, you have to know statistics. So guys, that's time. Let's also inspect columns. How do we inspect? You see df. It is very simple. Dot columns. Then you rerun this. What's the problem? type error index. What's the problem now? It's saying type error. Oh, sorry, it is not a function. It is not a function. It is a native function. So we can understand columns, production rate, what the columns we have. You can also inspect them here. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Today we have learned, you have seen how pandas, how do you use pandas, and we shall be using pandas in our course for data visualization, data manipulation, data cleaning. This is a, if forged data is not clean, let's say it's not, it has null values, it has the objects in history. So we have also to clean all that data. So see you in the next lecture, maybe next week, since I'm somehow fixed. We shall be talk about we shall be adding to this course small, but with due time we will be understanding data science, petroleum data science. We will be creating your own models. It is very simple course, it is understandable, and you can create your own projects. Okay, thank you very much. Please guys, subscribe to my channel.